Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
The video kicks off with flashing red and blue lights cutting through the night. A silver sedan speeds through city streets, weaving dangerously between cars. Police sirens echo in the distance as officers close in. "Pull over now," the officer shouts through the loudspeaker. But the driver refuses, pushing the speed even higher. The chase intensifies, racing through intersections, narrowly missing other vehicles. It's tense, unpredictable. Each second could end in disaster.
We got the car right here in the valley. Behind me is strictly cold. I got a construction guy gonna shot the car. Right here. There's one getting for it right here. Right here. Somebody get with the car, get the car.
Hey, I'm gonna need I need 320 up here also.
We need a supervisor, manager, and Gettysburg and Waymire. Gettysburg and Waymire. That's it,
I try to avoid him, dude. I try to avoid him, but he ran right in front of me. He ran right in front of me, dude.
Anybody pick him up when I walked in there?
No, I saw him running through the...
I don't think so. Can you give me a better location of that?
We got medics coming, man.
Send them to 2359. Where did he run through? I want to go back.
He ran through here, through Donut Palace.
We need to call Milltown and try and find out what's going on. That way if we have to send somebody, it's not going to interfere with shift change. I'm going to get her out to Terry Boulevard or call it. $19.23. 31 when you clear, that or you went back. Right there. Can you sign HQ for town property? $19.24.